Hello, this is Brian Resney, President of Resney Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment market so you can better understand where we're positioned. The economy continues in the U.S. to get a little bit stronger. We continue to get some data points even early this week that things are getting just a tad bit better, which is positive. We had some numbers come out of China yesterday on their GDP growth, and it came in at 8.9%, actually a tad better than was expected. Slowing down a little bit. But when you're growing an economy at 10, 11, 12%, eventually you'll have to slow that down a little bit. I still think that China will continue to grow at high single-digit numbers, probably for the next 5 to 10 years, and other emerging economies will be the same. Now, currently we're not investing in emerging market economies only because on a relative strength basis, our global tactical opportunity portfolio, it dictates us not to be there. And one of the things that we do every single month is we will look at the rankings of all the sectors encompassed around the world, and based upon a relative strength ranking, which works exceptionally well to basically capture upside potential in income, and also help alleviate some of the volatility and some of the potential downside risk of all the investment markets. We'll look at those top 5 sectors each and every month. The reason we do that is relative strength has been proven over time to be a good indicator of where returns have come from, and typically relative strong sectors or investments have outperformed the general indexes. And they also have shown to have less volatility. Now, while we do this each and every month, the reason we do this is one simple reason. We want to try and be reactive just a little bit quicker than if we were to do it quarterly. We'll have a few more transactions, of course, over time, but I think clients will be very happy at the end result, which should be less volatility and, in my opinion, better upside potential within the portfolio, not only in up markets, but in down markets, and protecting principal. The key, of course, is staying within your investment strategy and looking at all of those asset classes around the world. Unfortunately, most people look at the stock market, and our portfolio isn't just about the stock market or bond market. It could be about any asset class, even short the market. If the market decides to go down for a prolonged period of time, we could easily introduce, on a relative strength basis, one of the inverse ETS, exchange traded funds, within our portfolio, which again will help hedge or position us well even in a down market, whether that's stock, bond, or other related asset categories. Again, we continue to see data points not only in the U.S. but around the world getting just slightly better. Of course, Europe is that wild card out there. They are trying to fix their situation. I do not think we will have any real significant spillover effect in the U.S. I continue to see a very positive 2012, not only for the markets, but of course for our clients. We'll continue to stay true to our strategy, because if you stay true to your strategy over time, you will be rewarded. Unfortunately, what we are finding, especially on my radio show, we continue to get a lot of calls from non-clients, of course, on our radio show. And the problem with a lot of investors is they're waiting for the all-clear call or the buzzer to go off that it's safe to invest. When everything is perfectly in line and everything's doing incredible, you've usually missed 50, 60, or 100% returns historically. So as an investor, relative strength works well, not only in up markets, but down markets, as long as you stay strict to your strategy. We'll continue to do that with our global tactical opportunity portfolio. But as always, if you have questions about your portfolio, if you're concerned about your money, you have a question, just a general investment question, make sure you do call the office. I know that one of my staff is currently calling all of our clients for update reviews, for year-end update reviews, and we will be scheduling you either in an in-office or an on-phone consultation, whatever's more convenient for you. But as always, we appreciate your referrals and your business. But do call us if you do have any questions, and make sure you have yourself an extremely profitable day.